When I load my microbit or connect it to my computer, this microbit.htm file comes up. And if I double click on that, then what comes up is this page, which allows me to start coding. I'm going to click on Let's Code, and I'm going to choose the Make Code Editor as a way of beginning. And I want to create a new project, and my new project is going to be called Carbon. Okay, so here I have my new project called Carbon, and I want to use the GatorBit carrier board, the GatorBit environment board, and the microbit to collect CO2 data. So I'm going to first of all pair my microbit by clicking on Pair Device, choose Pair Device again, and just choose the microbit. So now my microbit is paired with my computer, and now I'm going to get the extension for the GatorBit environment board. So I'm going to look under extensions, and I'm going to type in GATOR bit GatorBit and see what comes up. So Gator environment is the one that comes up that I'm interested in. So I could have actually typed in here Gator environment. Same thing. It would have brought up this Gator environment. I'm going to click on that. As you can see, what happens is a new set of blocks appears called Gator environment. If I click on this, I get two little blocks, one which initializes the environment sensor and the other one which will allow me to get information from it. So very quickly, I'm going to, on start, I'm going to initialize the Gator environment, and then forever I'm going to get the degrees Celsius value. So I need to put that inside of a show number. So show number, get degrees Celsius, and then I'm going to put in a pause for a couple of seconds. Let's make it 2 seconds. Of course I could make it an hour, and let's see what happens when I download this. So I'm going to download it. If I look at my microbit, it's telling me that it is 27.12 degrees or thereabouts. Anyway, that's how I set up my Gator environment sensors and get a piece of data from it. As you can see, if I click this degrees C, I can also get the degrees in Fahrenheit, the humidity, the pressure, the CO2 level, which is an estimate, and the other particulates that exist in the atmosphere, which I think is also an estimate. So let's get the CO2 sensor reading. I do that simply by changing degrees Celsius down to ECO2. I can keep the same pause, and when I press download now, it will give me the CO2 value on the microbit, and as you can see, it is about 400 or 403, which is about normal for outside. If I breathe on the sensor itself, watch what happens to the 400-ish value. So I'm going to breathe on it now. So see what it becomes. So 815. And now it's 1628. And that is because when I breathe out, I'm breathing out lots of carbon dioxide. So I know that my carbon dioxide sensor is working okay. Thanks for watching.